Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today we are back with another hair video, and today I'm doing a DIY banana hair mask, or maybe I should say a protein hair mask. So today I will be using, our first ingredient will be bananas. So here what I'm doing, I'm just cutting my bananas and putting it on the cup of my blender. So for today, I will be using about 3 to 4 bananas. Because bananas are rich in potassium, natural oils, carbohydrates, and vitamins, bananas can help soften our hair, protect our hair, even protect our hair from split end and breakage. My next ingredient will be honey, and if I will have to measure, I would say I'll put about 3 to 4 spoons of honey. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil moisturizes our hair, strengthens our hair, and adds shine to our hair. Because I use ripe bananas, I don't have to blend this for so long, for about 5 to 10 seconds, and our hair mask will be ready. Otherwise, if you blend for too long, it's going to be too watery. This is how my banana hair mask looks. Now it's time to put it on my daughter's hair. I didn't have time to put her hair in sections before doing this, but I'm going to be putting it in sections as I'm adding this beautiful banana hair mask on her hair. The benefit of this banana hair mask combination of banana, honey, and grapeseed oil is that this hair mask can moisturize the hair, prevent dandruff, add shine into our hair, and also add volume to the hair. So if you're looking for all of this hair mask will be good for you to use. As usual, I will start putting the hair mask around the ends, then I will put around her scalp, then I will add all over that section of the hair that I'm working on, making sure that I put the hair mask all around that section. Then I can move on to the next section. If you're enjoying this video so far, please consider pressing that like button, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content, and why not share this video with your friend, family, or anyone you know. Now that I put it all over her hair, I will just let her sit with it for about 30 minutes or so. It's been over 30 minutes. We let it go over 30 minutes because I was busy. So the first thing I'm going to do before I rinse her hair out, it will be massaging her scalp. Massaging her scalp helps stimulate hair growth. So I usually take the time to massage her scalp after putting a hair mask on her hair. So this is what I'm doing here. Then I'm going to move on to her regular wash day routine. If you are interested of seeing how I do her regular wash day routine, let me know in the comment below if you would like to see the full wash day routine. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you on our next video. Bye.